Have you ever asked yourself, I'm doing everything I can. Why is my child still not focused? You're not alone. What worked for us in the 90s just doesn't work anymore. Back then, we feared teachers. Today, our kids fear something else: failure, but silently. The main question to ask is what's really stopping their focus? The modern teen brain isn't built for pressure, it's built for connection, curiosity, safety. Did you know a 2021 UNICEF study showed teens under stress perform 30% worse in focus related tasks? Try this. What part of study feels boring and how can we make it a little fun? That one sentence might open a new door. Let's bust a myth. Fun distracts from focus. Actually, fun creates focus. The brain runs on dopamine. It's focus fuel. That's why kids remember memes, but not historical dates. Turn study into a game, a quiz, a 10-minute challenge. Study doesn't have to be boring khichdi. Let it be jalebi once in a while. Big rewards. Take too long. The teen brain thrives on instant wins. One sticker, one good job. It's like weddings. We celebrate Mehendi and Haldi, not just the main day. Celebrate the small wins today. The brain learns more from mistakes than from perfection. But kids freeze, fearing our reaction. Say, it's okay, let's fix it together. Even Lord Ram and Lord Krishna made mistakes. They were guided, not punished. If fear worked, we wouldn't be yelling every day. Fear creates short-term obedience, but long-term resistance. Discipline grows with freedom. Like a kite, tight grip crashes it. A gentle hold, it soars. Try saying tonight, you choose your study time today. Big goals like IIT or Harvard sound nice, but if your child is stuck, it's not laziness, it's overwhelm. The brain loves mini missions. One page, one 20-minute sprint. Even Ram reached Lanka step by step. So will your child. You're not a failing parent, you're a learning one. And the fact that you're still here means you care deeply. Try one shift, one sticker, one smile, because every drop of connection builds focus that lasts. And that is your real success.